Welcome to all of you. We are here with a new video related to the topic sets. As I told you in the previous video, we'll discuss the properties related to sets in the form of Venn diagrams. Now, diagrams that are used to represent the relationship between two sets, three sets and so on is called the Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, we are going to do some operations between the sets like union, intersection, complement and so on. So please see this very carefully. Now as here written the definition, diagrams used to represent relationship between sets is called Venn diagram. Now the first relation between set is union of set. Union means combining both the sets together. That is A union B. It is also called OR. The OR word represents union of sets. Like we have two sets. This is a universal set in which we have two sets. The union represents the whole accumulation of sets together. That is if A 1 2 3, B 4 5 6, A union B is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Accumulation of all the elements of two sets is called the union. Next is intersection of sets. That is A intersection B. Here we have the symbol U. Here is the reciprocal of U. This represents AND also. So OR represents union, AND represents intersection. Intersection means the common part of both the sets. Union means accumulation of all the set elements. Intersection means taking common from all, from both. That is, if A is 1 2 3, B is 2 5 6. What is common here? 2. So this is called intersection. Like this is the common in both the sets. These are called the Venn diagrams. Now the third one is only A. Means the A set contain only those elements which are not present in B. That is, if A is 1 2 3, B is 2 3 4. So only A means we have only one here as the element, since 2 and 3 are the part of B. So we remove that. The element which are part of B, we should remove it from A to get only A, like this. Only A portion in the diagram. No B portion is taken here. Similarly, only B means removing all the elements of A, like this. A 1 2 3 4, B 5 2 3. So 2 and 3 are removed. So we have B minus A equal to 5 only. So these are the basic operation between sets. This is the diagram for union. This is also called OR. This is the diagram for intersection. This is called AND. And these are the diagram for only A and only B. Now using these Venn diagrams, we can make a formula to find a relationship between set A and B. I will show you in the next part using some examples also. Now we'll see the property related to set, which is operation of the Venn diagram, complement of a set A. Complement of a set A is represented by A dash if we have A 1 2 3 4 and U 1 to 10. Now complement of A means subtracting A from the universal set or removing the element of A from the universal set. That is U universal set minus set A. So 1 2 3 4 are eliminated and the remaining elements are 5 to 10. So the complement of A means just removing the elements of A and the remaining from the universal set is called the complement, like in the diagram. We have a universal set in which we have a set A. Complement represent just removing that particular set. Now complement to the power complement gives us the same element back. This is the property related to complement of set. Now we have some properties related to union and intersection. Please see this very carefully. A union B equal to B union A. Here also we have A intersection B equal to B intersection A. If we have two sets, we can do the union or the intersection in either way, from A to B or from B to A. This is called commutative law. Similarly, we can do the union or the intersection either way. This is called associative law. A union 5, the combination of A and 5 is A, The intersection of phi and A is phi. The combination of A union universal is A. Universal intersection A is A. These are the relations which we are going to use in the problems. So hope you understand these properties. This is also written in a book also. So please go through all the properties, and in the next part I will show you a formula to calculate problems using the Venn diagram in case of relation between two sets. Now if we have two sets A and B, the formula to calculate the relationship between that two sets is n, number of elements of A union B, is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus the intersection part. We are subtracting the intersection part because it comes two times. If we take A, if we take B, this portion is coming two times. So we have to subtract one time. That's why we have taken the formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now we can understand this formula using the Venn diagram concept. I will explain you this with one example also in the later part of the video or in the next video. But before that, you have to understand the formula concept also, that in order to calculate the union, we have to add A and B and then subtract the common part. Similarly, for the three sets, to calculate the union, we have to add all the parts, subtracting all the intersection and adding the intersection of all three parts. So using these two formulas, we are able to solve many problems. The application problem related to sets, try to figure out all the sets representation, types of sets, power set, subset, the properties related to union, intersection, complement of sets, and in the next video I will solve some examples related to the application of sets. First you try to finish chapter 1 up to 1.5 and then we will do all the related applications. Thank you for watching the video.